Hello everyone. So for this video I'm going to unbox these My Little Ponies. I went to Target today and I bought 2 sets of My Little Ponies. I already put the video for the other one up. It was these super cute chibi ponies, I guess you could call them. You gotta see it, it's so cute. But anyway, so this set I already have, and I have these figures available in my shop. But I made a case with one of them and someone wants that figure on their case, so I had to buy another set, and so I figured I would unbox it with you all. And of course I don't have scissors. Well, I do have scissors right here actually. This is also my crafting area. So, oh, let me show you the back of the box first. Duh. It has the names of all the ponies, in case you didn't already know. And it includes Tempest Shadow, who is the, I guess you could call her a villain in the Friendship is Magic movie. She doesn't end up, well, I don't want to spoil it if you haven't seen the movie, but she's not really a villain, okay? So this set is exclusive to Target. Here it is. Oh my goodness. So it has the 3 princess ponies. They're really alicorns because they have unicorn horns and like Pegasus wings. So those are oftentimes called alicorns. So I'm going to take each one out and show them to you. First, we will do Tempest Shadow. Oh my goodness, they make these so hard to get out. Oh my goodness. Okay, here she comes. Here she comes. Oops, there we go. Tempest Shadow. So next we have Princess Celestia. If I can get her out. There we go. Next we have Princess Luna. Okay, let me see here. Then we have Princess Cadence. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Next we have Rarity. This is nothing compared to the chibi ones. Oh my goodness. Okay. have Fluttershy. Oh my goodness. Wow, okay. Next we have Twilight Sparkle. Next we have Rainbow Dash. Next we have Pinkie Pie. And we have Applejack. All right, that's everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.